My name is Joe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of toothache and swallow gum. Have you ever experienced pain in your mouth before? You know, when you feel that sharp pain in your teeth, and when your gum swell up and you are not even able to close your mouth properly. You can't chew anything. Opening your mouth wide becomes an issue for you. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. Now, before we go into the main tutorial, do not forget to like our video and also subscribe to our channel. Also, endeavor to share this video with someone today, friends and families, because you do not know who out there will actually need your help. What exactly are the causes of toothache? Toothache have many different causes, of which many can be prevented with regular dental care. If you get a toothache, you will probably have to treat the cause sooner or later with a visit to the doctor. We may actually wonder what exactly causes toothache and swollen gum. Uh, it can be tooth decay, abscess tooth, tooth fracture, a damaged filling, chewing gum, licking of too much candies, consuming too much sugary substances, and an infected gum. Now, what exactly are the remedies? Well, I'm going to be talking about the prevention and the treatment. It's actually better to prevent toothache or tooth decay than come back to allow it to stay and then treating it. When you to prevent, you use a brush or floss after meals, or you make use of herbal mouthwash. Then, in time of treatment, hold a clove of garlic, plantain leaves, or a piece of pine resin on the tooth. Apply clove essential oil to the tooth, and also apply a ginger compress to the cheek. Now, another method that you can actually use to treat a tooth decay, this you can actually do at home, and especially swollen tooth, is to dilute 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide with the same quantity of warm water. Mix some salt, a little bit actually, with the solution. Now mix the solution well, double on cotton wool and place on the affected part of the tooth. Compress a little bit, especially if you have a swollen gum. Do this at least 3 to 4 times in a day. You will start to see changes within 48 hours. Alright, that is the end of our tutorial video on how to get rid of toothache and swallow gum. Now, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to our channel to know when we upload new videos. Also, do not forget to click on the like button and also share the video link with your friends and family. Help someone out today, and don't forget to live right and stay healthy. Thank you.